We are at Planet Hollywood. I am so excited to be here. So let's go check it out. We are gonna try Gordon Ramsay's burger. I'm so excited. Blue cheeseburger. Oh my goodness, look how gigantic that is.
Hell's Kitchen, spicy burger.
Burger.
Yep. So what do you want to play? What do you think? Oh, look at those roulette game right there.
Oh wow.
Those looks cool.
Let's go, let's do a circle around. Do you remember when we came here? This was probably like 7 or 8 years ago. And we came to the buffet here.
Yep.
And we were so early that we had to wait for the buffet to be open. And we were so hungry. We sat and played penny slots.
Yep.
And who won?
I won.
How much did you win?
I remember I won like $700.
It was like a lot of money, and you did like a small bet. It was like, I don't know, a 70-cent bet or 80-cent bet.
That was,
and it was like the best win.
That was a good memory bet.
That was good. Do they still have that buffet here?
Probably.
They closed down a lot of buffets. I don't see someone up there. Is she somewhere else? Or is it all automatic?
They're over there. Property of...
Well, okay. Berlin, New York. Top secret.
Should we go get a card?
Yeah, let's
My
do
card
that.
doesn't
That's
work.
a really good idea,
You
actually.
want to get your card or my card?
Both? Thank you.
Limit.
I thought this was the bar. I was very wrong. Oh, right here's the bar. Never mind. Do you remember drinking at this bar before going to see your favorite concert ever?
It wasn't at this bar.
No?
There was another. Was it this one? I thought it was.
I think it looks different. It was this one, but I think they remodeled it. Yeah, I think it looks very different now with all of the crystals around it. Okay, you want to play a little game?
Look at this fancy bar.
Oh yeah, so we would go down here to go to the buffet that they had. So does it still say buffet? Let's see if they still have it. I feel like they don't.
Come over here. Starbucks, right? Nope.
It's gone.
Lobby. We don't have it.
Lobby, share ride, Starbucks. Mind Freak, Chris Angel. They used to have a club up there. Oh, you want to play? How cool is this? The roulette is up high. You want to play that?
Sure.
Let's do it. Oh, this is really neat. Look at this space.
Blackjack.
You have your own little private space. The craps, blackjack, and roulette. Okay. Do you have money for me? Mr. ATM. We're going to do $20. $20 make you wanna holla. All right, let's see if we're gonna holler. We just want to win a little bit, just a little bit.
Okay, pick your numbers. Pick your numbers.
So we're gonna play 50 cents or $1. We'll do $1.
What's the minimum?
50 cents.
No, minimum bet.
That's a good question.
Is $5.
$5.
Okay.
Well, we'll do 50 cents.
50 cents. Yep.
It's good.
Pick your numbers.
Okay.
Your numbers.
There we go. I didn't mean to hit that. I always hit my favorite numbers. Right now it's sitting at a 6, but that doesn't
33.
really mean anything. How much did I bet already? Where am I at?
450.
Okay.
50
We need one
cents.
more. All right. Okay, ready? I'm going to
Yep.
hit spend.
Spend that.
Come on, come on. 10.
The winning number is 10. Black even. Place your bets.
Thank you.
10.
I didn't
94.
win.
What was it before?
6. It was at 6. Okay. Okay, we're going to try again. I have $15 left.
Okay. Try it again.
Pick a number, any number, babe. What do you feel lucky at?
16.
16. We're going to
23.
23. We're going to do 16, 23. I like 8.
15.
15. And I'm at $5. Here we go. Ready?
Okay.
I'm going to hit spin. Come on, roulette. Come on, 16, because I have 75 cents.
The winning number is 7.
I picked
Red
8.
on.
Oh.
Place your bets.
All right.
Okay.
So we have 2 more chances if we bet $5 a bet. And we've been
Okay,
down.
our numbers. It's
Our numbers.
Our
Okay.
numbers.
Okay, here we go.
Yep.
Oh, I did an extra 50 cents, so I have to take one back. Okay, here we go. Spin.
Oh.
29.
The winning number is 29. Black on. Place your bets.
Okay, we're gonna try one more time. What do you want? What's your one favorite number right now? It's so close to 8.
Our numbers. 16.
You think so? You think it'll go all the way back there?
No, just 16 and then any other number that you want to pay.
I'm gonna go 22 today. I just want a little money. So let's see, 350.
4 or 5?
5 and what? 4?
That's it. I said 4 or 5.
Okay, yes sir. Here we go. Let's spin it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 16, 16. 8.
The winning
I
number
won.
is 8.
Yeah,
Black
nice job.
even.
I won
Place your bets.
850.
Good job.
All right, we're still in the game. We're still in the game.
Still in the game.
Woo! All right, here we go. What's your lucky number? What do you want? We need $5.
Same numbers.
Same numbers? What do 2 on that? You think maybe it'll repeat? Maybe it'll repeat.
Double, yeah.
5. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Okay.
I'm gonna hit spin. Come on, come on. 26.
The winning number is 26. Black even. Place your bets.
What the heck? Okay, I don't think I have enough.
No, you have to put another $1 in.
I do? You don't think he'll just let me play it?
No.
Let's see if I have an extra $1. I do. We're playing 21 now. A total of 21. Here we go. They just let us win so we can put more money in. Okay, here we go.
$0.50. Double zeros. Yep, basket.
Basket it is. Spin. All right, roulette it. Come on, baby. Come on, 16. We got $1 on 16. 34.
The winning number is 34.
Look at
red
that.
even. Place your bets.
Okay, that's it.
All right. How do you feel?
Sad that we lost. I like the table better. That was a little lame. I prefer playing on the table over the machine. I know some people, they prefer to have their own little space, and maybe a table's intimidating, so it's fun. I didn't like it. I like the table. The energy from the table is so much more fun. $21 wasn't bad. Okay, let's go.